Python program. The radius of the sphere is 7.5 meters. Write a Python script to calculate the area and the volume. Area of the sphere is pi r square. Volume of the sphere is 4 pi r cube. So we're going to write a program. So first we have to import the math module. Import math r equal to 7.5 and we have to calculate the area equal to pi r square. So area equal to, we have to access pi from the math module into r. Likewise volume equal to 4 pi r cube, 4 star math dot pi into math dot power of r comma 3. So now print the values. Print radius of the sphere is r meters. Next, print area of the sphere colon area comma unit square. Print volume of the sphere volume units cube. That's the program. So we calculate area is pi r square, volume equal to 4 to math dot pi into math dot power of r comma 3. So pi value is 3.14, math dot power of r comma 3 is 7.5 cube. Here we have math dot pi into, used r into r. That's it. We will execute the program and check the result. This is the output. Radius of the sphere is 7.5 meters. Area of the sphere is 176.714 unit square. Volume of the sphere is 5301 unit cube. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share, comment, and press the bell button. Thank you.